Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error code 0x800f080c when you are attempting to install Net Framework. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but for today's tutorial, we're going to go open up Google Chrome here. I'm going to have a link to this utility in the description of the video. Again, this is directly from Microsoft. And you want to go ahead and scroll down here. Select the Microsoft.NET Framework Repair Tool. Go ahead and left click on that. It shouldn't be a very large download, and you're going to go ahead and open that up. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. You want to agree to the license terms and select next. Select next again. And once that is done, go ahead and select next. And then select finish. Once it's done, you can go and delete this file on your desktop. You don't have to keep it here. And we're going to go open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of the video. The first one is an SFC scan. So go ahead and copy that from the description of my video, and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that command is done, you're going to go ahead and copy the second command in the description of the video. It's a dism command for this one, and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window like the first command, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin running the scan. Will take some time to run, so please be patient. So once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. Okay guys, there you go. So hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.